3 decades of unwavering commitment to public service, serving with passion and steadfast dedication, putting lives on the line so that others may live. This is your Bureau of Fire Protection. On August 2, 1991, the inaugural operation of the Bureau of Fire Protection as a distinct agency of the government took place with Fire Brigadier General Ernesto Madriaga as the first National Chief Fire Marshal. The BFP was created under RA 6975, primarily to perform the following functions: fire prevention, fire suppression, arson investigation, enforcement of the Fire Code of the Philippines, emergency medical services, search and rescue, and establish at least one fire station in every provincial capital, city, and municipality. We may have gone through a gamut of challenges throughout the years, but as one bureau, we have surpassed it and continued to raise our banner. As we commemorate the 30th BFP anniversary with the theme, Salamin ng Nakaraan, Larawan ng Kinabukasan, let us catch a glimpse of what we have achieved as a region in the success of the organization and the attainment of its mission and vision. On May 2021, BFP Region 7 welcomes its new Regional Director, Senior Superintendent Manuel G. Golino, who will now be looking after the region's 16 cities, 3 of which are highly urbanized, namely Cebu City, Mandaue City, and Lapu-Lapu City, and 116 municipalities which together consist of 3,003 barangays. BFP7 is grateful for the unwavering support of the LGUs that greatly contributed to our logistical capabilities towards the modernization of the agency. This year, BFP7 has been a recipient of 5 donated fire trucks for Tudela Fire Station, Minglanilla Fire Station, Barili Fire Station, and Toledo City Fire Station, and 1 MAC area ladder for Cebu City Fire Office. Lot donations were also received by BFP7 for the construction of the new building for Pinamungahan Fire Station, Danao City Fire Station, and Barili Fire Station, respectively. 2 recruitment processes were also conducted in the region, wherein a total of 163 newly absorbed Fire Officer 1 was added to BFP7's manpower. At present, the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 7 has a total of 2,238 personnel. In response to the increasing number of Fire Officer 1 who had not yet undergone the Fire Basic Recruit course, a satellite training center was materialized in Region 7, utilizing the Cebu Technological University Danao campus as the venue, which commences last March 25, 2021. For the 396 fire trainees, all from the different provinces in the region. The training ended last July 5, 2021. Itimbre Kay G program was launched this year to provide the public additional and direct avenue where they could air the complaints or suggestions concerning the delivery of various services by BFP7 and its personnel. The year 2020 brought a defining global health crisis of our time, the COVID-19 pandemic. Amidst the uncertainties we are grappling with, as one region, we continuously fight in the front line and perform our duties and responsibilities. 133 personnel were deployed in 54 control points, which conducted temperature reading, decontamination for personnel and vehicles, and intensifying health protocols. BFPR7 maximized its minimal resources to have assets that will respond to COVID-19 related cases only. This includes an ambulance, 14 fire trucks, 1 CBRN hazmat truck, 1 CBRN transport vehicle, and 6 service vehicles, which are on standby and ready to respond anytime as the need arises. In the fight against COVID-19, contact tracing is a vital tool in preventing the spread of the virus. We can stop transmission of COVID-19 if we can identify cases and their contacts quickly and get them to a limit, stop their contact with other people, while they're infectious. Thus, to aid in the government's contact tracing efforts, 226 BFP7 personnel were deployed as contact tracers. Despite the current situation, BFP Region 7 is doing its best to carry out its mandates regarding the conduct of fire safety inspection while adapting the necessary health measures to the specific emergency condition. A total of 115,963 establishments were inspected for the first semester. As the fire code fees collection, BFP7 registered a 25.02% increase in its fire code fees collection for a total of 185,288,854.14 pesos for the first semester circular year 2021. For a fast and effective response during fire incidents in fire-prone and densely populated areas that are not accessible by fire trucks, a hose mapping was undertaken to determine the number of fire hoses that will be utilized in a certain area once a conflagration occurs. In the pursuit of comprehensive knowledge on fire arson investigation, BFP7 was prompted to have a second batch of the Fire Arson Investigation Operations course in the region. It was a 10-day activity conducted in person at Alta Vista Resort and Convention Center, Cordova, Cebu, with lecturers from the national headquarters. As a refresher of the RIRR of the Fire Code of the Philippines, a 3-day fire safety enforcement course was conducted in person and at the same time via Zoom for those participants from other provinces. With the ongoing efforts of the government for Filipinos to be protected from COVID-19 through vaccination, BFPR7 extends its assistance through the deployment of its personnel who are registered nurses as a vaccinator in different vaccination centers in the region. BFP7 personnel also actively participates in the vaccination program, wherein 1,137 of its personnel were fully vaccinated, while 395 personnel are waiting for their second dose. As the years gone by, the public slowly recognized the importance of our existence. As such, we have been living to our sworn oath to save lives and properties, fulfilling our mandated task, boosting our capacity, and upgrading our capabilities for the public we vowed to serve and protect. Placing the welfare of the community, the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 7 will continue to do its part in attaining a fire-free and fire-safe nation.